All right, guys, so let's try to figure this out. It looks like we have two fences. Let's start with the first fence that needs the 5-foot post on the top. So I'm going to just try to draw with my finger here the ground, and then over that ground, we're going to have some posts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have those on both sides. And then we also know that in the center we have this other post. So in total we have those 9 posts. So the fence looks a little bit like this. There's a gate over here, which will just turn into a gate, and a top post. So each of these 9 posts is going to need some new posts. So let's do these new posts with red. So we're going to do post over that, a post over this, a post here, and a post here. Those are the posts that we need to extend the fence to get all the way up to 10 feet. So in total here, we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 posts, and each are going to be 5 feet long. So in total, we need 45 feet of that bar. These bars on top, don't worry about those. I think Dan is going to want to just have fencing, and we're going to be putting fence all around. So I think the top posts we don't really need to cut. So for that fence, we need 45 feet. Now, let's check out the second fence. The second fence is a little bit different because that fence is really going to be made up of 13 posts total. And the 13, let's just imagine that this is going to be a slightly longer space, but we'll just draw one of the posts. So these posts are already going to be 10 feet above ground, and then underground, we're going to need this to be 3 feet in. And imagine that we have these kind of like going over and all over here. And in total, we have 13. So if each one of these needs to be 13, and in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 posts in total. So for this one, let's see, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 1, 3, and then 1 times 13 by moving this over by 1. So in total here, we're going to have to get 169 feet of fence. So let's see. We have, for fence 1, we need 45 feet. And for fence 2, we're going to need 169 feet. So in total, let's see, 4, carry 1 up here, and 2, 214. So we're going to need 214 feet of that fencing material. But here's something to think about. Each of those posts is really going to have, what Dan has already is these very long pipes that are 21 feet in length. And we know that we're going to be cutting them around here at 13 feet. So we're going to be left with this much. Any clue on how much that is? 21 minus 13. Yeah, that's going to give us 8 feet of excess pipe that we really can't use because, well, it's not 13 feet long. We could use it for the other fence, which needs 5 feet pipes. So what we had to think about with Dan is, well, some of these posts are 21 feet long, and we could cut them in 4 sections of 5 feet, each of these being 5 feet, and we're going to have an excess of just one little foot there to make 21. So what we ended up doing is cutting up these pipes into 5 feet lengths, cutting up some of them into 13 feet, and what do we have? We have the ability to make another 13-foot one by combining one of the 5-foot ones with an 8-foot one and turning that into a 13 as well. That way we save some material. Okay, so now you're going to see us grinding these pipes, cutting them, grinding the tips, and welding the tops. Let's go do that.